Once again this week, it was beautiful for most of the day, but now some areas are seeing clouds and even some rain. Let's check in with meteorologist Ray Petelin to find out if your neighborhood's going to get wet tonight or this weekend. Ray.
Well, I think most everyone's going to be seeing some shower or thunderstorm activity between now and the end of the weekend. As it stands right now, most of our activity is moving from Fayette County up into Somerset County, so some light rain for the most part there. That has died down in intensity, but we've been seeing some storms blowing up back in Ohio, including one that is featuring a tornado warning out in Knox County, Ohio. That's out towards Mansfield. Some severe thunderstorms with that little cluster of storms that's moving towards us, but there's some time before that actually gets here. Now, when it comes to our dew points, we are seeing the moisture levels ramping up, which means the humidity levels, or how sticky it feels, is going to get worse. And you can see Cambridge sees those dew points in the upper 60s already. Temperatures in the low 80s in most spots, so we're all on a pretty even page when it comes to our temperatures around the region. One of the cooler spots, Indiana, Du Bois, and Franklin in the 70s at this point. Beaver Falls as well at 77. We have the cloudy skies in Pittsburgh. Currently, we're looking at 81 degrees, winds out of the west at 10 miles per hour. Now, I got this question earlier this evening. Hey, Ray, what's going on here? And Steve was talking about this halo around the sun. We've been having a warm front push towards us, and as that warm front starts getting closer and closer, that air starts to lift. And as that air lifts, it condenses, and once it gets into the upper levels of the atmosphere, it creates ice crystals. And if they're shaped like hexagons, so if you get a hexagon-shaped ice crystal, you get the 22-degree halo, and it's called a 22-degree halo because that's the degrees of the circle around the sun. So cool little thing there. Thanks for Steve for sending that in. That warm front we were talking about continues to push in. Those clouds have pushed in, moisture back behind it, and this is going to get followed up by the thunderstorms. Now, a lot of that storm activity was in Ohio. By the time we get to midnight, that'll be crossing over into western Pennsylvania. We could see one or two of these being on the stronger side. They could be loud and feature some heavy rain overnight, but we'll lose the heat of the day, so the storms will lose a little of their punch, but we can't completely rule out an overnight severe thunderstorm. Tomorrow, as that cold front gets closer, we're going to stir up additional thunderstorms that could become strong to severe, and primarily it's damaging winds that we're going to be looking for tomorrow. As that cold front continues to drop in, those storms will stick with us on and off, it looks like, for your Saturday. So of the 2 weekend days, Saturday's the worst. Sunday's a little better because this front's going to come in, push a lot of that activity down to the south, while areas south of Pittsburgh could see a few showers during the day on Sunday. I think most of us are going to see a drying trend take over, and that drying trend takes us through most of next week. So once we get through the storms tomorrow and an early thunderstorm or shower on Sunday, it looks a whole lot drier. I mean, we do need the rain, but nobody likes to have the rain on the weekend. So we are going to get the showers and thunderstorms over the next couple days. Leading into the 4th of July weekend, we have a lot of sunshine, a lot of dry weather, and some rather warm temperatures. As high as most days are going to be in the mid to upper 80s. And with the showers and thunderstorms on the way, especially the potential for some stronger ones for tonight and tomorrow, get the Kdka Weather App. It gives you alerts when there's severe weather nearby, even when there's disruptive weather nearby. It tells you if there's heavy rain or lightning. Just search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.